Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on Friday, last day of the working week, on a Friday, May the 20th, 2022, we have here two regular puzzles, Sudoku Light and the heavy Sudoku, and we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. And also these two regular puzzles, Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. But first I will do the Sudoku Light. And the news of today, yes. Today in the newspaper, the monkeypox. Yeah, monkeypox. In Holland, there's one case today. Or maybe two cases, I do not know. But the monkeypox. And the BA5 Omricon is here also. So a lot of viruses here. Cannot believe in a short time with COVID, monkeypox. Anyway, let's get started with this puzzle. Sudoku number 4579. It will be 4579. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have 9 big squares. With each big square 4 printed digits, so 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, well, should be a 1 star. And for 1 star, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, this one should be easier than the 1 star. So maybe faster than 12 minutes, 30 minutes. I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Ay. Which number can I pick? Come on. The two in this row. The third row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2. No 2 in this box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in this box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Then. Well, which number can I pick? How about the number? Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. How about the number? Yeah. Okay, about the 3 then. Not a lot of 3s. 8 then. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Do I have all the 8s? Let me count. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Alright. Then let me pick. Yeah, the 5. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in the last row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Can I count? Yes. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Alright. Okay. Then how about which number? Okay, yeah, the number 4. Number 4. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. Here 4 in the first row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 4. Or white. Okay. Then the 9. How about the 9? We have a 9 in the first column. The 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 9. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Let me do 1 extra. Yes. How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? 3. Yes. 1 box left in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the number 3. Alright, 2 digits left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 8 for the number 1. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, digit number 7 for number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, number 1. All right. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square, also for the 6, I believe. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, I believe. Also for the 6 and 7. Let me see. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 are missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, maybe in the beginning talk too much. Well, anyway, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle. A heavy Sudoku it will be. Until then, bye bye for now.